How to set up an Instagram business account. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap Edit Profile. Scroll down and select Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will now show you the features you'll get with a professional account, like access to insights, the ability to run ads, and options to monetize your content. Tap Next to continue. Now, choose the category that best describes you or your business, then tap Next. Next, choose your account type. Select Business, then tap Next. You can now add your contact details, such as your phone number, email, or business address. Once done, tap Next. If you want, you can connect your account to a Facebook page. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Finally, Instagram will show you a checklist to complete your setup. You can go through it or simply close it. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now set up as a business account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.